awesome, man.
Yeah, I need a couple more screws in that for
Gets really low too. I appreciate the demo, Josh.
Anytime.
Done a good job building it though. You could tell you got a good bracing in there, everything built right, and it's really musical. It gets really low as the song you just played. So thank you for the demo, man.
Anytime.
Appreciate it. Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. You float that thing sometimes, don't you?
Nah, actually, I might be able to. I never tried it. We just got it. And we got to leave right from the show, so we got all our shit back.
Yeah, you're good, man. Nice.
I had a 90 C-Max in there, but I think I got some dead cells, so I had to switch that out.
So 2 of these things. Wow.
Yeah. They're strapped 1/4, so 7 each.
Okay.
7. Yeah.
I think I remember last time I heard this, you had your seat out.
Yeah, it sounds better with the seat in because the seat kind of covers a little bit of the
board. Very nice. So what all's in here, man?
2 level 618s.
Okay.
On 2 Synergy 8Ks. Wired to 1/4.
Nice. Did you build the box?
I did.
Okay.
It's on 105 amp hour E-Long.
I like that you had the little panel you were showing me behind the seat. You could see into the motor.
Yeah.
Looks good.
It's nice when you don't have the seats to cover it.
Remember I was in the project. A nigga started from the bottom. I was down on my couldn't even get along. Now they niggas got their hands off. I ain't give it all you want. Remember I was in the trying to kill none of these niggas wasn't picking up the phone. Now that they got my line, I ain't got time no more. A nigga started from the bottom though. Early morning, nigga, women in the kitchen. Some people said I couldn't do what I did. Look at my bigger time, but it's a kid. I ain't in all that. Down on my ass, going new direction. So that you ain't gotta touch. A nigga started from the bottom. Early morning, come on, baby. I ain't in. I was down on my.
That's some pressure. I can see the back port wiggling from so much pressure. Awesome, man.
Yeah, I need a couple more screws in that port.
Gets really low too. I appreciate the demo, Josh.
Anytime.
Done a good job building it though. You could tell you got a good bracing in there. Everything built right, and it's really musical and it gets really low as the song you just played gets low. Thank you for the demo, man.
Anytime.
Appreciate it.
Down below. A nigga got so much money on me. Can't count no more. Remember I was in the project. A nigga started from the bottom. Come on, baby. I ain't in. I was down on my. Nigga started from the bottom. I was down on my.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.